Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2021 Hot Wheels. Today we have Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect from the Hot Wheels Metro series, number 1 of 10. Looks like we have Pest Control here. P-Pop and Sons. Pest Patrol Company. What are the Hot Wheels Metros? Taking the city by storm, one cool ride at a time. Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. Starting to rain here again, New Hampshire. Trying to get a couple videos in here before it does. All four wheels roll well. That back is plastic and it goes all the way around the bottom of the car, not the base. Base is also plastic. It's got that chrome mirror look. Made in Malaysia. All the gray is metal. Not a bad looking ride. We had a green Ford Transit that was winning our races for a while. And these windows are not open. They looked open, but they're not. This one actually has a crack in it. It doesn't go through. It's more like a scratch. But you could see that right there. It's like a scratch right in the window that was already there before I even opened it. Well, it's a nice looking ride. All wheels roll. 2 rivets on the bottom, by the way. Let's see how this rolls on the track. Oh, I think it rolls with a better bounce. From the back, maybe. Oh. See if we could do this one right here. Not the best roller, but it is an okay roller. It does roll. Fits on the track. Not too shabby of a ride. Not sure if I'm going to actually put it into my Timmys10again toy collection. Not sure if it's quite that cool. But I appreciate everybody that watched. And as always, please subscribe to Timmys10again.